No, I don't think so.
That was almost too close. They don't care anymore.
Where did we come in? On the other side of that?
Just right here.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of followed them right back to